You used toilet paper without thinking twice. Ancient humans had none of it. So what did they actually do? The answer is weirder than you think. Toilet paper was only invented in 1857. Before that, humans got creative. And before civilization, it was even wilder. Let's go back, way back. No shops, no paper, no plan. Just you, the wilderness, and a problem to solve. Ancient humans went wherever they needed to go. Outside, in the bush, by the river. No concept of a toilet existed. The world was the toilet. So what did they use to clean up? Whatever was closest. Leaves were the most obvious option. Soft, wide leaves worked best. But not every leaf was safe. Some caused rashes. Some were toxic. Trial and error. The hard way. Grass was another common option. Moss too. Soft, absorbent everywhere. Water was probably the most effective method. Rivers and streams were nature's bidet. Snow worked in colder climates. Smooth stones were used across many cultures. Rounded, flat, and surprisingly effective. Animal fur was another option. Soft on one side, rough on the other. Seashells were found near coastal settlements. Evidence of use discovered at ancient sites. Hands were used too. Let's be honest, that's why ancient hand-washing rituals existed. Water after hands was the standard clean. Ancient humans weren't as dirty as you think. They were resourceful. Obsessively so. Hygiene mattered. Infection could kill you. A dirty wound in prehistoric times was a death sentence. Cleanliness wasn't a luxury. It was survival. As civilizations developed, tools got more advanced. China invented hygiene sticks 2,000 years ago. Bamboo wrapped in cloth. Reusable. Practical. Archaeologists found them with parasite traces still on them. The Romans took it further with the tersorium, a sea sponge on a stick, used communally, then rinsed in vinegar. Everyone in the public toilet shared one sponge. That is somehow worse than leaves. The Greeks used pottery shards called pessoi, smooth-edged ceramic pieces, filed down for comfort. Some had enemy names carved into them. Ancient pettiness had a very practical application. The first recorded mention of actual paper for hygiene was 6th century China. A scholar wrote that he refused to wipe with sacred texts, which means others clearly were. By the 14th century, China was mass-producing toilet paper. The West didn't catch up until 1857. America was still using corn cobs in the 1800s. Corn cobs. Think about that for a second. Back to prehistoric times, though. Ancient humans didn't have a hygiene routine like ours, but they weren't completely clueless either. They watched animals, copied what worked. Dogs roll in grass. Cats groom constantly. Humans learned by observing everything around them. Water was always the gold standard. Any tribe near a water source had better hygiene. That's partly why settlements formed near rivers. Clean water wasn't just for drinking. Hygiene kept the tribe healthy. A sick tribe couldn't hunt, couldn't survive. So cleanliness had real evolutionary pressure behind it. The cleanest tribes outlasted the rest, which means hygiene literally shaped human history, all because of a problem everyone had, and nobody wanted to talk about. The next time you reach for toilet paper, remember this. Somewhere back in your family tree, someone used a rock, and they survived.